Hello friends, is your cruise control not working properly, or do your brake lights stay on even when you're not pressing the pedal? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0573, it means there's a high voltage issue in the brake switch circuit. This can cause cruise control failure, transmission shifting problems, and even affect your brake lights. So, what causes it? Where is the sensor located and how do you fix it? Let's find out. What is P0573? The P0573 code stands for Brake Switch A Circuit High. Your brake pedal position switch is a crucial component that turns your brake lights on and off, sends signals to the ECU for cruise control and gear shifting. If the ECU detects higher than expected voltage in this circuit, it triggers P0573 and may disable certain features. Common symptoms of P0573: cruise control not working or shutting off unexpectedly. Brake lights stay on even when the pedal is not pressed. Difficulty shifting out of park, automatic transmission. Check engine light, CL is on traction control or ABS warning lights may appear. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty component. To diagnose P0573, check these key components: brake pedal position switch, brake light switch. Location, right above the brake pedal, near the firewall under the dashboard. This switch detects when you press the brake pedal and sends a signal to the ECU. Fuse box, brake light and cruise control fuses. Location, under the dashboard, driver's side, or in the engine bay. A blown or faulty fuse can send incorrect voltage signals to the ECU. Brake light wiring and connectors. Location, running from the brake switch to the ECU and rear brake lights. A short circuit, damaged wire or loose connector can cause high voltage readings. ECU, engine control unit. Location, usually in the engine bay or behind the glove box. Processes the brake switch signal for safety and transmission functions. Common causes of P0573: faulty brake pedal position switch. The switch may be stuck in the on position or shorted. Wiring issues, frayed, corroded or shorted wires causing excessive voltage in the circuit. Blown or incorrect fuse. If the wrong fuse is installed, it can cause overvoltage. Aftermarket LED brake lights. Some LED bulbs draw less power, confusing the ECU. ECU malfunction, rare. If all other components are fine, the ECU may need reprogramming or replacement. How to fix P0573. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0573 and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake pedal position switch under the dashboard. If it's stuck or faulty, replace it. Step 3. Check the brake lights. If they stay on, the switch may be the issue. Step 4. Test the fuses in the fuse box. Replace any faulty ones with the correct type. Step 5. Check wiring and connectors near the brake pedal and fuse box for damage or shorts. Step 6. If using LED brake lights, install a resistor to match OEM voltage. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the brake switch after repairs. Ignoring P0573 can lead to safety risks, cruise control malfunctions and battery drain from stuck brake lights. Fixing it early will keep your car running smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0392, camshaft position sensor B circuit low. P0393, camshaft position sensor B circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.